So I have already applied my moisturizer. I'm gonna apply some sunscreen now. So basically, when you apply sunscreen under makeup, you will see this glow always. So always try to apply sunscreen. Okay, now I'm using this primer, matte primer, and I'm gonna actually put it on my face, basically on my cheeks, nose, because here I have a lot of open pores. Now I'm gonna apply my foundation. So guys, please bear with me. I don't know why, but I took a lot of time applying the foundation this time. I don't know what I was thinking, but I literally took a lot of time. Don't ever forget to cover your neck also, because you don't want to look different, like your face is fair and then your neck is of a different color. Okay, so I'm using some setting spray. This way, actually what it does is, after when you apply foundation, always try to use some setting spray. This will actually set your foundation right. Okay, so I do that, and you guys can also try. Now I'm gonna apply my eyeshadow. So this is a very nude color from PAC. So basically I'm applying it all over my eyes, my lids and crease, all of it. So I have an advice. The thing is that you should always do your eye makeup before you apply foundation. That way you can actually get rid of all the mess that happens, the fall offs and everything. So I'm applying this beautiful shade from Kiko Milano. So I'm applying it on my lids. So I'm blending it again. Now I'm going to use a brown shade, a little bit. You know what? I have hooded eyes, and it's very difficult. Very difficult to actually give definition to hooded eyes. And moreover, I have this round eye, which is why it becomes very, very difficult to do a straight line, which is why I'm going to use a kajal today. So I'm going to apply a little bit just near the line, and will smudge it, and on top of it I'm going to apply a black eyeshadow. Why I'm not using an eyeliner? Because I'm doing this bright red lip and I don't want to look too dramatic, which is why I'm using just a bit of eyeshadow. So it's always the other way around. Like, for example, if you are doing a loud lip color, then always go soft on your eyes, and if you're doing a loud eye thing, then always go soft on your lips. My mirror is too close to my face. I'm so sorry that you guys are not able to see what I'm doing there. So as I said, I'm using the black eyeshadow now. I don't know, it's so difficult to maintain both the eyes. Like the right eye is always perfect, but the left eye, I don't know, I just do something with it and it's never equal. So it's really frustrating sometimes. Wow, I've literally covered my face. So sorry for that. I'll try not to do that in my other videos. This time the angle was so bad, like literally so bad. I don't know what I was thinking. I mean, look at me. I went to my left. Okay, somehow I managed and my eyes are done now. Now I'm taking this spoolie and combing my eyebrows. And I'm using this pencil from Kiko Milano. It's a really I mean, so easy when you have things like this, you know. This pencil is very easy to apply. Brushing it again, and on top of it I will put my eyebrow mascara. So it's almost done. Again, I'm gonna curl my lashes. Very important for people who don't have lashes at all, like me. I'm gonna use this mascara. But you know guys, I think I actually don't have a primer, eyelash primer. I think that will solve my problem. If I applied a primer and then on top of it if I apply my mascara, I guess I will be able to give the illusion of you know, thick eyelashes. So I don't have it right now, but I'm gonna buy it very soon once this lockdown is over. So I'm applying my concealer. I don't like applying a lot of concealer. Like I don't want to bury myself under concealer. I don't like that look. So which is why I have this natural looking concealer, not very different with my skin color, like nothing bright. But it's very important that you blend it properly. Very important. Normally I don't take I'm very fast when I do my makeup, but I don't know what I was thinking on this video. Like I'm taking ages to only, you know, do simple things. Yeah, both eyeliners are different, but I can't help it. Somehow I managed, and I guess today I'm not in my right form. Okay, now one very important thing actually. Okay, before that I am going to apply kajal on my lower waterline. Okay, so this is the important thing. Don't forget to highlight your brow bone. You know, that is actually a hack, and this gives you a different, you know, look altogether. So always do that. Now I'm gonna take some setting powder and I'm gonna put it on my lower eyelid. So what happens is when you put kajal, and most of the time, you know, it just smudges because your lower eyelids are oily. so it's better if you put a setting powder there always. So I'm using some setting powder on my below my eyes, on my nose, on my forehead, because these are the areas where I get very oily, very oily, especially my nose. I don't know what that is, but I get very oily. And don't put a lot of setting powder as well, because it'll make you look, it'll give your face that wrinkly look, so don't do that. Especially under the eye, always put little bit. Now I'm going to use my bronzer and brush it. And actually, as I said in my last video, I don't like using contours that much, which is why I go for bronzers. It's easy and it's easy to actually blend also. Now I'm going to contour my nose using the same bronzer. My nose is very flat, so I'm going to give the illusion of a sharp nose. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but I do see some difference. So I'm using my highlighter and putting it on the high ends of my face, my cheekbone, bridge of the nose, and I guess that's done. So I'm using this red lip liner for Maybelline. Normally I don't use a lip liner, but lately I've realized that when you apply really bright red lipsticks, you got to apply some liner. That way you will actually protect your lipstick, from smudging. So I'm using my favorite Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip. So actually one of my friends gifted this lipstick to me, and I'm so grateful. I love this color. Such a beautiful color it is, and the quality is, oh my god, I can't even tell you. You can't compare this to anything else. See, look at the color, so beautiful. What kind of red is this? Wow. You just need to apply a little bit, and then it just, I don't know. I guess I just applied 2 strokes, and look at this color, so deep and so thick and nice. I'm blending, I'm using some bronzer and blending again on my cheekbones. So I have a chubby face, and it's very difficult for people with chubby face to contour, which is why contouring becomes very important for people like us. Okay, now I will open my hair. My hair is again a mess. I hope you can see the glow. I like this look. So I'm gonna blend it a little bit. So the kajal that I applied, I'm just gonna blend it a little bit, just a little bit. I'm not using any eyeshadow there, so I'm gonna keep it very minimal, with the eyes. So everything looks good now. But actually, I think I need a little bit more on my forehead. I mean, I need contouring on my forehead. So I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild stick, and going to just put some on my forehead. contouring it. So I guess now you will see the difference. So I am almost done with my face now. I hope you guys like my look. I want you guys to try this look. It's easy, but yeah, I mean, I took a lot of time, and but normally, you know, you won't need that much of time. Okay, so I accentuated again my moles, I mean beauty marks, very important. So when you put foundation, normally you tend to cover those marks, so it's always a good idea to spot it again later. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you like it, and bear with my face, I mean the poses that I make. So thank you so much for watching.